back, creators, to Learning Fun Zone. In part 2 of our Diwali Scratch drawing series, we are taking our designs to the next level. Today, we are creating some new exciting patterns like spirals and unique shapes using Scratch pen tool. Imagine beautiful Rangoli patterns right on your screen. Ready to bring that extra magic to your Diwali celebration? Let's dive into it. In the last video, we used pen tool to draw basic shapes like squares and circles. We used repeat blocks to move our sprite to turn it and which drew different shapes like square. Simple, right? But today, we are going to make even cooler patterns using loops and colors. Let's start by creating spiral. So, let us create a new project in Scratch. A spiral is just like a shape, but the lines get longer each time and we can change colors too. Watch this. So take whatever sprite that you like. So do you want to take a fun sprite? Let's take a butterfly. Let me change it to 40 size. Let us delete this sprite. Okay. And let's get started. Go to events and your favorite green flag. Go to the pen extension and add it. Okay, so this is the add extension block. In the bottom left you will see a purple color extension. Just click on that. From this all you have to select the pen one. So once you do that, you will find a new set of blocks here. Okay, so when green flag is clicked, then we will use erase all. Then we will use a pen down button. Okay, and then set color to, so whichever color you want you can choose. So just adjust this brightness, saturation according to your liking. So let me choose a pinkish color. Now go to control. We will add a repeat block. Let us make it, let's say 50. And what do we do next? We will make it move and turn. So let's say move 10 steps and move 15 steps. And turn 15 degrees. Now we want the size of the pen to increase by 1. Okay, so let us try that. We will go here. And we have this change pen size by 1. So add this over here and change pen color by 10. Okay, so let us try this. Let's try to run this now. Let us keep it here. Oh wow, amazing. I think we should repeat it. And what is the pen size? Okay, so let's make it, let's say 100 times and let's keep it here. Wow, amazing. See how it's drawing a colorful spiral? We are just using change pen color and change pen size. These two blocks to make each line a bit different. Okay, this creates a beautiful spiral pattern. And you can experiment with different angles, step sizes and make your own different spirals. So let us save this. I will make it as a spiral. Colors and save it. Don't forget to save your projects and share them. And if you want to share it to your friends, you just need to copy this link and you can email them or send them on WhatsApp or any other communication links. Okay, so you can share your projects. You can even add some instructions here and send it to your friends and teachers. Wow, amazing, right? So let's try something cool now. Now let's draw something more fun. Let us try to draw something more exciting. Let's draw a star. Okay, so let's click on create, and we will be using the same pen blocks and go to a new sprite, add a new sprite. Let us go and add a green flag. Go to pen, erase all, pen down, and then go to control, add repeat blocks. This time we will add 5 times, and go to motion. Let us say 100 steps, and then we will turn to 144 degrees. And here you can experiment with different colors. Set color, change pen color by 10, and let's try to run this. So you can go to control, add a weight block here. Okay, and you can even add the pen size to, let's say, 3. Let's try to run this. Wow, that's so cute, right? We are able to draw a colorful star. Now, if you want to change something more, you can try here, like change the pen size by 1. Okay, let's see. So do try different things. You can change the degree also. Let's see what happens. So coding is all about trial and error. So if you change it and change the number of repeat blocks, awesome, right? So do try this. Try to have fun with it. Let's make it 20. Let's increase it to 170, and then I think the change pen size by 1 is not needed right now. It will get thicker and we won't be able to see the shape. Okay, so let's run this again. Wow, awesome, isn't it? I want this to be a little bigger, so let's move to 200 steps. Oh, not 2000, 200 steps. I will delete this. And let's try to run this now. Wow, how cool is that? So, did you see that? Just by turning some degrees, and after each line, we are changing the colors, we are changing the style, and we are getting different types of stars, bigger, smaller. So do try it out. Try to make your own different stars, different designs with the help of this. So you can combine different stars and make different patterns. Now let us get even more creative by combining different shapes. Okay, so how about drawing a flower? So let us try something. Okay, so stars variation. Okay, let me save this and share this, and let's create a different flower like pattern now. So we will have to combine multiple shapes to do this. So we will show how to draw each petal, and then we will draw a separate shape with the help of that. So as usual, let's select a pattern. Let's select a sprite that we like. So which sprite do you like the most? You can select anything that you like. Okay, let's select a strawberry. Make it little smaller. Okay, and let's try. So go to events. When green flag is clicked, increase it a bit. And now what do? Go to the pen extension. So we need to add a pen extension. Erase all, pen down, and then go to the control and add the repeat blocks. So from here we can make it as 36. And now we are going to do something fun. Okay, we are going to add loops inside loop. So let us try that. I will add a loop inside the loop. So these are called as nested loops. So let us see what happens. So make it 6. And as usual, we will add move steps. Okay, now let us make it, let's say 50 steps. And then we will add a turn. Make it 60. And then add a turn outside the repeat of 10 degrees. Okay, now let us watch what happens. Make it as a pen up after this, and let us run this now. What happens? Wow, look at that flower pattern. Amazing, isn't it? By repeating a simple shape and turning a little bit each time, we have created a beautiful flower. You can change the size and number of petals by just adjusting the steps and angles. Try making your own flower designs like this. Okay, so what did we do? We just added 2 repeat blocks and we moved and turned. So we made the same steps and then we twisted it to 10 degrees. So try changing these angles and have fun. Okay, so try to create different shapes with this. Amazing, isn't it? So little bit of change, you will see different patterns are getting created. So let's see what happens with this one. Wow, beautiful. Now you can be more creative. What can you do? You can change the color and size, right? So let us change the color by 10 and see the magic again. Wow, amazing. Beautiful, isn't it? I'm in love with this. So you can make such drawings even fun. Just add some random numbers. Just add some random shades, colors every time you run this, and you can have fun with this. So try to change the degree and see what happens. Okay. So coding is having endless possibilities. So do try changing different things and see what happens. So every time you run with little changes, you will see a different pattern. The sprite moves random distances and turns random angles, creating unique shapes and colors every time. You can play around with this and see what kind of crazy designs you come up with. Now, how about making the drawing to come live with some animation? We can make our sprite move and draw at the same time. So it looks like the drawing is dancing and moving at the same time. So let us try that now. Let me save and share this first. So let us go to create. And let's add a new sprite. Let's take this crystal. Okay. And let's get started. We will add a pen extension. Go to events when green flag is clicked. Amazing. Let us see what magic we can try this time. Erase all. Okay. And pen down. And let us go to our control blocks, repeat blocks, make it 20 and go to motion, move it, let's say 50 steps, and let us go and turn, let us say 144 degrees. Okay, and now we will use one more thing, that is gliding. Okay, we will add a gliding motion after the turning. So we can glide to a random position as well, or we can use this glide too. So let us add this glide, and we can pick a random thing. So we can use a random kind of a change. So here in the operators, we will see green colored blocks. We will see this pick random. Okay, so I am adding this pick random here. And what can we do here? We can make it minus 240 and we can make it 240. And let us go over here again. How do I go here? 1 second. Okay, so here we can make it minus 180 and 180. So why did I choose these coordinates here? Why did I choose these numbers here? Because we are having this x-axis and this is y-axis, right? So we can choose x-axis from minus 240 to 240 and random minus 180 to 180. So that will come inside this complete output. Okay, so let's try to run this now. Okay, so sprite is drawing and it is dancing around the screen while it is drawing. Okay, so it is dynamic and fun to watch, right? So it will glide at different distances and draw different shapes. So let's see. You can draw such kind of a dynamic gliding drawings that will be interesting to watch. So you can even use this outside. So you can draw this. So now our sprite is not just drawing, it is dancing around the screen while it is drawing, right? You can make this artwork more dynamic and fun to watch. Try experimenting with different glide speeds and distances while you're drawing and you can make it more interesting. Okay, so you can even try to make change the pen color and change the pen size each time. So you can draw different artistic fun drawings. So each time it will be increasing the size, and you can even try to increase the speed each time. Crazy, isn't it? Awesome. So this is called as animation to the designs. So let us save this one and let me share this. Now, want to make it even more cooler? Let us use multiple sprites to draw together. So each time, each sprite will draw a different part of the pattern, and we will see how their drawings combine to create something awesome. So let's try a combined drawing. So let us create a new project. Now let us add two sprites. So let us add a sprite, let's say a star, and let us add one more sprite, let's say a flower, or let's say a butterfly. Make it smaller. Okay, so we have these two sprites. We will draw the first sprite first. Make it a little smaller. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so when green flag is clicked, let us make it a little bigger and go to the pen extension first and then clear everything. Use the pen down, add the repeat blocks. So let us add it for 36 times, and we will go to motion, move 50 steps. Okay, and let us turn 10 degrees. And let us go to the second one now. Let us go when green flag is clicked. Add the erase all button, pen down button, and control. Let us make it, let's say 36 again. Now what do we do? Move. So for moving, we will go to the move blocks, let's say 50. And now this time I will make it move minus 10 degrees. Okay, so that is the only difference we are making. Okay, so in this one we are moving 10 degrees, in this one we are moving minus 10 degrees. Now do you want to see the magic of creating two sprites together? So let's see. Amazing, isn't it? So we can try to create this kind of creations together. So let's make it 10 steps so that you can watch it together. And let's try now. Okay, so we are able to draw with the help of these two sprites together. So this is called as collaborative art. So it's like having a team of artists drawing at the same time. So try to use different sprites like this and draw different animations like this. Okay, so we have the same thing, and let's say I position here and position this here, and we can just copy the same code, duplicate this and add it to the multiple sprites. Okay, so you can duplicate it to the multiple sprites. Awesome. So let us delete this 2 times. So here you can see you can draw same thing or different things but at the same time. So try to draw different patterns together or different images together with the help of different sprites. So you can draw stars together, you can draw different kind of animations together at the same time. So we will write this as drawing with multiple sprites. So let us save this now and share it. Now finally, we will also learn how to add custom colors to make our drawings pop. So let's go and create a new project. We can choose any colors that we like and even create a radiant effect by slowly changing the pen color over time. So let's see how to do it. Let us go and select a sprite. This time, which one do you want? Let's say a donut. Amazing. So let's keep it 30. Alright. And let's go and add the extension. We will go to events when green flag is clicked and clear. Clear means erase all. Then go to the pen down. Go to control, repeat. Now this time I'm going to do it for 50 times. Now we will change the color. Now we want to change the color to random colors, right? So let's try this, set pen color 2. And we had seen a function that is picking random colors in operator. So let's pick random color from here and let us make it 1 to 200. Okay, so each time it will take a random color and then as usual we will try to move and turn. So let us move 100 steps and turn, let's say 30 degrees, and then we will change the pen color by 2 again. So we just want to have some fun. Okay, and let's see how much colorful we can make the drawing. Amazing. So it is picking random things, but let's see what is the output. Okay, it's not repeating, but it's repeating in the same pattern. So let's change the angle a bit. Let's keep it 144 degrees and let's try. So you can try different things over here. So pick random pen colors and you can change the colors every time. with the help of these random colors and change it here as well. Okay. So we are choosing different colors and we are changing them randomly in a loop. So try to change the colors and try to choose random colors here and try to draw different shapes. Now our drawing is super colorful and it changes as it goes, right? So you can pick your favorite colors and let Scratch surprise you with random colors. The possibilities are endless. So look at the amazing drawings that we have made today. From spirals to stars to random patterns and animated designs. There is so much you can do with the pen extension in Scratch. I hope you had fun exploring these ideas. I can't wait to see what you create. Keep coding, keep drawing, and I will see you next time for some more fun Scratch projects. Wow! Look at the incredible patterns we have created. Your coding skills have brought our Diwali designs to life in a whole new way. From simple shapes to intricate patterns, you are now a Scratch Rangoli artist. Thanks for joining us on this creative journey. Don't forget to share your designs and bring that Diwali sparkle to everyone. Happy Diwali, everyone, and keep coding with creativity.